The next challenge we have here is limited stakeholder visibility. That is caused by a lack of clear reporting results, misalignment with the stakeholders, let's say communication or engagement requirements. To overcome these challenges, we have a best practices to overcome these challenges. First, to deal with the constant data collection, we need to have a standardized data collection by using templates and automated tracking tools. For lack of real-time monitoring, have a best practice here by having a real-time dashboards to ensure the visibility performance metrics. For the inefficient change management challenge, we have here a best practice to overcome this challenge by having a robust change control by implementing a structured approval process for the changes. And the limited stakeholder visibility as one of these challenges, the best practice here to deal and to overcome these, let's say, issues by having a transparent reporting, stakeholders informed using clear reports. The change request and decision making in project control. So, change management plays a crucial role in project integration control. A well structured process ensures that the changes are evaluated, approved, and implemented without disrupting the project objectives. And the types of change requests we already have talked about. The first type here we have is corrective action. And corrective action, or this type of change request, it's used to fix the performance or deviations. The next change request type here we have is preventive action. And preventive action is addressing the risks before they occur. The third type of change request here we have is defect repair, and that is used to resolve the quality issues. Let's understand here how these decision-making processes that is made when handling change requests, when or within the project control. So, the first step here we start by identifying the need of change. It's based on the performance report. It's based on the stakeholder needs. It's based on the, let's say, deliverables, audits. Next, here you have, let's say, the next step here you have is to analyze the impact or assess the impact on the scope, cost, schedule, quality, and risks. It's mainly assessing the impact of the change on the project constraints. After you analyze it, to let's say document this, let's say change, and you assessed its impact. Now it's the time to obtain the approval from the change control board. By obtaining the approval through the change control board, wait for their decision in terms of it's get approved or rejected. And with that being said, in case of the project, the change request has been approved, then you need to implement and document the change. Yes, if it's rejected, and then you need to be very transparent with the stakeholders, informing them that this change request was, let's say, rejected by the change control board for one, two, three reasons. Reporting and documentation and integration monitoring. So, effective reporting ensures that the project teams and stakeholders and decision makers stay informed. By having a comprehensive report, it provides an insights to support the project adjustment and stakeholders, and ensure the alignment with the objectives. These key reports, which is used in integration project status report, which summarizes the current progress and issues. We also have this report where it shows the variance to highlight the schedule and cost deviations from the baseline. One of these important reports also which is part of the integration control is the change logs. And change logs, it's like a record for all of these approved and rejected change requests or modifications. The final key report here we have is the lessons learned report. And that report is used to capture the takeaways from for the future project. Let's look now at one of these case studies where there's an integration control implemented in one of these global IT, let's say, companies within, let's say, IT project. So we have a challenge here where the company were facing inconsistent, project tracking across multiple teams. The solution here were implemented by implementing a real-time dashboard and standardized reporting. The outcome here by implementing or facing this challenge and solution is that it has improved the alignment and reduced the risks and enhanced decision making. So this case study demonstrates the importance of having a structured integration monitoring, showcasing how the real-time tracking and standardization can improve the project performance. The key takeaways here from this session, we talked a lot about the integration controls, why it's important in order to improve the alignment with the project objectives. We also have covered the variance analysis and trend monitoring to help detect the risks early. Um, we highlighted the importance of having an effective change management to prevent any control modifications and scope creeps. What else we have? We have the transparent reporting, which is used to enhance the stakeholder confidence.